In this video, we're looking at finding the equation of the tangent to the curve at f of x equals x cubed minus 2x squared plus x at the point 2, 2 on the curve. So once we are asked to work out the equation of the tangent, we need to understand that if you have a curve of the sort and tangent is a line drawn at a point and it touches the curve at one point only, and the gradient of the tangent will be the same as the gradient of the function at that x value. So to work out the gradient of the line, what I need is the gradient of the function at that point. So to do that, I need to differentiate first. So f dash of x equals 3x squared minus 4x plus 1. The next step is I know that x is 2, so I'm going to replace x with 2 to work out the gradient at that point. So 3 times 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 1, which gives us 12. Take away 8 plus 1, that's equal to 4 plus 1, which is 5. So we want the equation of the tangent. So we know the equation of the tangent takes this form. And what we have here is m, and that is 5. So we've just worked that out to be 5. Now they have been kind, they've given us what x and y are. So x is 2 and y is 2. Sometimes they don't give you the y value. You'll have to then substitute the x value into the original function to get the y value. Okay, so here let's work out the c. So 2 equals 5 times 2 plus c, and c is equal to 2. Oops. C is equal to 2 take away 10, which is negative 8. So the equation of the tangent is y is equal to 5x, which is the gradient, minus 8, which is the c. Sometimes they might not give you the point explicitly. They may say, find the equation of the tangent to the curve where when it cuts the x-axis at 4. So if it's cutting the x-axis at 4, you need to understand that all along the x-axis, the y value is 0. Or if it says it cuts the y-axis at somewhere, maybe negative 5, then you need to realize the x value there is 0. So just be aware that they may ask you in a different way.